Hello subscriber. Today we are with a new technical video or a technical question answer. What is a PU in an electrical engineering system? Means that if any system where we are using a PU during calculations or during in a calculation of a system. So before I ever started my topic, please keep subscribe me and support to the technical engineering to get the more videos like this. So the what is a term PU in electrical engineering? PU stand for per unit, and this will be used in an electrical line diagram of a power distribution, and it is like a huge electrical circuit with a number of components just like the generators, transformers, loads within a different rating in MVA, kVA, kilovolts. To bring the rating into the common platform, we use a concept of a PU, means per unit, in which in a general largest MVA and kV rating of a component is considered as a basic value, then all other component rating will be get back into this basis. Those values are called as a PU values. Means we will be shows a common average view of any component or this like the load, generator, and this. So we are commonly write in a like as a PU. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me and support to the technical engineering, and also press the bell icon to get the more videos like this. Thank you.